since it was chaired by Additional Collector too, we have highlighted some important steps to be taken. One being that there should be a district plan to control vector-borne diseases. Right now the focus primarily comes on Margam, but since it's a South Goa district, we have to look at all aspects. So we have highlighted very specifically the fishing jetty of Kudpana and the industrial estate at Kunkoli for intervention by developing some joint action with these departments. Right now it is a go-alone strategy that is being adopted, and it is putting too much pressure on the health system. Second thing is, as you know, water is a very important aspect of this. So Monday, that is 22nd March, is World Water Day. So we have made a request to all the health officers to try and start documenting how many wells are registered and encourage the well owners to register so that the maintenance, cleanliness of the wells can be taken up together with the WRD, which has a subsidy scheme called Nitod Goy and Nitod Bai. There is a subsidy of 50,000 which is being given. So that is one aspect. World Malaria Day, which is coming up on 25th April, we have also proposed that there should be a partnership with the labor. As you know, 28th April is the World Day on Safety of Workers. Now, workers' safety is getting affected because of the spread of vector-borne disease, especially dengue and malaria, for a large amount of migrant workers. So we have been highlighting this today, that the cess that is collected under this building cess, crores of rupees is there with the government. So we are saying that that money should be used for the welfare of the construction workers. Now there are certain administrative steps that will have to be taken. For example, the health card we have proposed that should have the registration number of the worker, of the contractor. Right now the health card has the worker's name, but the health card is kept with the contractor. So these are some of the issues that we have highlighted, and we have pushed for grassrooting this entire campaign on vector-borne diseases by putting this issue on the agenda of the village health, sanitation and nutrition committees. See, every panchayat has this committee. The sarpanch is the chairperson, but somehow there is a gap of understanding what role this committee can play, and it has been reactivated. Now there are 15 members. So we have proposed this. Then there have been cases of what there are laterite quarries in South Goa district. So we have proposed a partnership with the Department of Mines and Geology. Similarly, in the Kulagars, we have proposed a partnership with Agriculture Department so that the allied departments also start getting involved, because vector-borne disease is not only the responsibility of the health department. And finally, we have proposed that the housing societies should be drawn into this campaign because if a housing society is well maintained, we can see that vector-borne disease, sometimes even on the 10th floor of the building, people are getting malaria and dengue. So this strategy will take up for the coming financial year, and we hope to get the support of the Register of Cooperative Societies to give some short guideline how this can be handled in the housing societies. As recently,
whatever work we have done for last 6 months, ते प्रेजेंटेशन करतात, आनी ताजेर सजेशन जे आमी सगळी सावथ गोवाची ऑल प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स, त्या भायर PWD, दुसरी वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट, PWD, लेबर डिपार्टमेंट, जावं तुगेलें म्युनिसिपालिटीज, ऑल तालुकाज म्युनिसिपालिटीज, देन डेप्युटी कलेक्टर्स, अशे सगळे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आपयतात आनी डिस्कशन करतात वेरियस टॉपिकाचेर. आज प्रेजेंटेशन केलें तें तातूंत अशें दिसून आयलें की सर्टन थिंग्स लायक आमकां थोडीशी हें मेळना, हेल्प मेळना. अशें म्हणून आमकां कलेक्टरान सांगलें की नेक्स्ट जें आसली मिटींग घेवपाची, लायक चीफ ऑफिसर्स ऑफ वेरियस तालुकाज, BDOs, मागीर तुका लेबर डिपार्टमेंट, हांचे बाबतींत एक सेपरेट मिटींग घेवया आनी आनी डिस्कशन करुया की हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाक तांचे कडच्यान कशी हेल्प मेळटली रिगार्डिंग मलेरिया वेक्टर बॉर्न डिसीजीस. ह्या मिटिंगेक डिस्कशन करता करता अशें दिसलें की आतां हावजींग सोसायटी आसतात तांचे नोडल ऑफिसर्स करपाक ते आसतात जावं आतां 25th जे आमी मलेरिया वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे आसा तातूंत थोड्योश्यो बिल्डिंग्स आसात न्ही त्यो आमी वेक्टर बॉर्न फ्री अशें म्हणून डिक्लेअर करपाचें आसात जी फर्स्ट एक आसा कलेक्टर बिल्डींग ओल्ड कलेक्टर बिल्डींग पुलीस स्टेशन मागीर तुगेले फायर ब्रिगेड ह्यो ज्यो बिल्डींग आसात अकॉर्डिंगली आमी एक्शन प्लॅन स्टार्ट केला वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट ऑलरेडी नोडल ऑफिसर अपॉयंट केल्ले आसात आमी विकली विजीट करतात थंय ब्रिडींग सायट आसता जाल्यार पळयतात वीथ नोडल पर्सन आनी अकॉर्डिंगली एक्शन घेतात स्प्रेइंग करतात जावं फॉगिंग करतात अकॉर्डिंगली आयसी करतात आनी हेन्स फोर्थ 2018-19 हाजे परस ड्रास्टीक कमी जाल्यात केसी आमच्यो मलेरियाच्यो सावथ गोवा ना मडगांव तर सामक्योच कमी जाल्ल्यो आसात इन 2020 सो ही हेल्प आमकां मेन म्हणजे आमी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटच करतात पूण एक रिक्वेस्ट आशिल्ली की बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी सुद्दां आमकां हेल्प करची आनी तें डिस्कशन जाल्लें आसा कलेक्टराक सांगिल्लें आसा त्या प्रमाणे कलेक्टरान आपूण डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन उलयता जावं बाकीच्यो मिटिंगो घेवन तातूंत आमी इलेक्शन जाले त्या बरोबर आनी एक मिटींग घेवया आनी तातूंतूय डिस्कस करया तातूंत हे सगळे रिप्रेझेंटेटीव आपोवया आनी तांकांय बी सांगुया अशें सांगलां आनी हें आमकां नक्कीच मलेरिया एलिमिनेशनाक हेल्प जाता तेचेर फूडबॉर्न जेटीचे जे पळय मायग्रंट वर्कर्स आसात तांचो सदांच एक प्रॉब्लम आसता की ते कॉपरेशन बरें मेळना स्क्रिनिंगाक येनात जावं तांचे इतले लोक आसतात की आयकून घेनात ते फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटा बरोबर तांची मिटींग जावपाची आसा पयलीं एकदां जाल्ली फुटबॉर्नाची तें हें धाडिल्लें आसा रिपोर्ट धाडिल्लो आसा ऑलरेडी कलेक्टराक पूण आनी आतां पावसाळो तेकतकच ते कसो रावपाक जायना आनी 2 म्हयने उरल्यात तो पर्यंत आनी एक मिटींग घेवची वीथ फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट अशें म्हणून सांगिल्लें आसा त्या प्रमाणे आमी ती मागीर घेतली